She was beautiful, but not like those girls in magazines. She was beautiful for the way she thought. She was beautiful for the sparkle in her eyes when she talked about something she loved. She was beautiful for her ability to make other people smile, even if she was sad. No, she wasn't beautiful for something as temporary as her looks. She was beautiful, deep down to her soul.
पवन स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र पवन स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे जन परिवाल भरित शरजाल भुक्ति मुक्ति दलील भूदेव पाल भक्त जन परिवाल भरित शरजाल भुक्ति मुक्ति दलील भूदेव पाल सीता